Just underneath we have our FDP and our FDS. I'm just going to demonstrate the FDS wrap. So I can just lift the tendon up, and I've got a gap underneath the tendon here that I can see through. So I'm going to place this just underneath the tendon. I don't need to go all the way through. I just need to cover the dorsalmost surface of the tendon. Once I let go of the tendon and the tendon retracts down, I can simply lift the VersaWrap and lay it across the remaining volar surface and apply the drops. Touch it, and it's down.